Hello my lovely friends, this is Nev from Nev's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you my Boxyluxe Beauty Subscription Box, and I'm going to unbox Beautyluxe Box, and let me show you. So this is the Boxyluxe box, and all the information about the Boxyluxe, how much it cost, and like it comes every 3 months. So I'll put some of the details down in the description box. And yes, I have opened because I cannot wait, guys. I cannot wait. So let's start. So the theme for this month is BoxyCharm Dare to Dazzle, and I will tell you all the prices towards the end so I don't have to look through it. So the first thing which I see here is, in no particular order, is this, and this is Revive Body Gel Aromatherapy Associates. It's a body gel, guys, and it's 200 ml 6.8 fluid ounce. Let's see what I got next. So the next product is this, and this is Brow Styler from Benefit. Yes, I never bought this, so I don't have this product, so it's nice to use it. The color they have sent me is warm deep brown number 4. So this is I got. Move on quickly to the next product. The next product is this one, and this is Milk Makeup eyeliner, and it's like a felt tip eyeliner, like a pen. And this one is Kush liquid eyeliner. Yes, Kush liquid eyeliner. If you want, I can just quickly open and show you. So this is how it is. Let's move on to the next product. So this is Avant. It's a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum, and let me show you. I don't know, I can't talk, guys. So this is how it is. Okay, moving on to the next product. The next one is this, and this is NARS blush, and this is the color is Orgasm. Guys, Orgasm is a very famous blush color of NARS, and I think very highly sold, I think so. Let me show you. So this is how it looks. It has like a golden shimmer. Moving on to the next product. The next product is Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. So this is a face cream, and I hope it's hydrating. It does say hydrate smooth and soothes irritation. So this is how it is, and this one says 50 grams 1.7 ounce. So the next product which I see here is Elmer's Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser, and you can I think you can yes, you can just massage into your dry skin and use it as a cleanser, or also you can just remove with a cotton pad and just remove your makeup. So 2-in-1. I'm really excited to use this. Last but not the least, dun, 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 this one I got it as my choice. Boxyluxe, you get 2 choice, like you can get to choose 2 products, and they have few. You can choose 2 in Boxyluxe, and the base box you can choose 1. So I don't remember the second one which I chose, but definitely this is NYS sunglasses. So when I saw something different, I thought, why not? And so this is how it is. Let me wear and show you. think it suits me. Let me see. See? I think it looks good. So guys, these were the products which I received in this Boxyluxe box, and quickly let me tell you the prices. The Elmis Superfood, the Glow Cleansing Butter, which is this one, is $38 and it says a new launch. And the NARS blush, which is this one, this is $30 and it says a best-selling blush. And the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil and Powder Deo, it's $34. So hopefully I will use it in one of my next makeup look, and you can see how it works. And $34. And Avon Skincare Hyaluronic and Replenishing Lip Serum, which was this one. This is, oh my god, you can believe it, $122 for a lip serum. Oh my god, I will never ever pay $122 for a lip serum. Never, never, never. I think it's really pricey. It says lactic acid to lightening and pigmentation and all that, but still I will never pay $122 for a lip serum. Wow. NYS collection, the sunglasses which I just wore and show you was $40. Not bad. Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel, which was this one. This is $46. Wow. Dr. Brand Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. And Dr. Brandt skincare is really famous and expensive. This is $64 and it says it's a new launch. Last but not the least, the liquid eyeliner from Milk Makeup is $22, and you can do the math. I think it's way above $250, so I'm not even doing the math, but guys, $122. Can you believe it? Oh god. Anyway, so this finishes my unboxing of Boxyluxe for this month, and I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and when you don't subscribe, it's really very sad, and I get really demotivated. So please watch it and share with your family, friends, because if they're interested in the subscription box, they can decide to, get it or not. And yeah, and follow me on all my social media. Again, guys, I am on TikTok. I'm just trying it. Please follow me there. Again, it's same Neb's Lifestyle, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.